Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can manage session using Go language. For that, I am going to create a login page, and from that login page, I will check whether user is valid or not. If user is valid, then I will create a session and I will send the redirection to the welcome page. If username password is not valid, then we will generate an error. So let us start. So I have a main.go here. So first of all, I create a module. So go mode init, and I'm giving a name here, that session. Session is my module name. Now I will create one directory under this called template. This directory I will use for creating a HTML page. So I'm starting here code. So I have this main function. Now what I do, I create a template variable first of all, and I say template like this. Then I create function init. Under this function I will initialize the object for temp variable. So I say template dot must, and here I pass template dot parse global, and here I will specify the directory. The directory is template. Under this directory all the file with extension HTML extension, then I will use as a template. Now I create http dot handle function, and here I say to the root I execute, you can say index handle function like this. Now I need one more function, and that handle function of login. So I say login check. Then after login I will also handle function for welcome. If successfully login, then I will display welcome page. For that I have welcome handle. Then finally I have logout also. Logout, and I say log out handle. Now I create one function first, function index handle, and here I have a w as a http dot response writer, and then have request as a http dot request. And now I create this function. Under this function I will execute template, and here I will pass to w my index.html page that will ask for login. And if we do login, then we will go to login check. So I say here login handle, and here I pass login.html. Then I copy two more function, that would be welcome handle, and here I pass welcome, and here I say logout, and here I say it will redirect to, if we log out, then I will redirect it to, I will redirect to WR and to the root directory with http dot status see other option like this, and I will check it later on the condition for this. So I will redirect to this for logout purpose. So now we start. We have logout handle here, and I save it. So all the handles are ready. Problem we have here, so because we do not have a comma, so we have done this. All handles are available. Login check, login handle, we can say login handle like this. Now I just create this index.html. So I go to template directory here, and I create here index.html. So here what I do, I just write here, we can say index page, and here I just draw h1 and I say login, then I draw form and I say method for form is post, then action we have, action is action we have a login, so we will transfer to login check, and here I say label and I say user name like this, and then we have input type equal to text, and I say name equal to username like this. Then we have br. Again I take label as a password like this, then input type equal to password, then name equal to, and we have password as a name, then I close this input and I close br also, and we have the tag input. So I save this. Now I need to create submit button, so I say br once again, I say input type equal to submit like this, name equal to submit, and value equal to login like this. Save it. So form is ready, and we can go to login also here, and from this login I just want to check the username and password, and then I will redirect to welcome page. So here also I change it to redirect. So already I have a redirect here, and I put here, and I will redirect to welcome to this page. Okay, now I check first of all that I need to create a session first. Session I will create only when the user is valid. So first of all I check that where, and I say username first of all equal to r dot form value like this, and here I pass username, then I say password, and then I take form value and I say password. So that value from the form will come here. Now I will check if username equal to, and I say that would be my name Vipin, and I say password equal to I say Tevatia, then I start. If password is true then it okay, else if password is not true, so if password is true then we will redirect to welcome screen after creating a session. But if password is not correct, then I will create a data of map, and I say string interface. With the help of this I will pass here the error, and this error I will say invalid username and password, some type of message I want to display, and then I will pass temp dot execute template w, and I will pass here index.html, the same file, login file, and I will pass data there. So because I am passing a error, so I will display that error here after this login. If username and password is not correct, like this, data will come here from here to this. Now if is invalid, but if it is valid, so I will create a session. I say session equal to session dot, for creating a session I need a package also. So first of all I say session get r, that I want to save, and I want to import a session here, and I want to import a library also. So I say github.com/ICZA session, then save it, and then I say go mode tidy, and it will download this, go mod tidy, and it will download this package from the internet. Now I have this package, so I can now create instance. For that I say session, then new session options like this. Under this I will pass the address of session dot, we say session options like this, then I create like this, and here I will create an attribute. I say CATTRS attributes, and here I pass map of string, then interface, and here I will pass username like this, and I pass username here, this username I will pass here. So this is the session variable that I am creating. I can create one more session variable also. After this I can create here password also, but I am not transferring a password. New line problem, we have this session, we have this session here, we have this session here. So we have a error because this is the value, and after that we have to put the comma. So we have this value, so one variable we have like this, then we have a comma. So we may have another variables also, but here I need one only. Otherwise I can take this and copy paste one more variable I can pass here. So this is session variable username. This is the value, from here we are passing, and now we have to add this session. So we have to say session dot add, and here we pass session. So that would be session dot add, and I will pass here session that I'm creating to the W. This session would be created, and we send to the welcome screen. If password is wrong, we will send to this, and we put comma also like this. So we have this welcome screen, we have this also. Now we go to welcome and we check here that session equal to, and we say session dot c session dot get first nr. So we are getting a session first of all. If session is there, so what I do, I need a username, and I say we have to display the information. So what I do, I say username here, and I say session dot catr, and here I pass username. That username will come here to this. Then I create a data equal to map string interface, and in this interface, and here I pass username, and here I pass username like this. Save this, and this username will go to here in place of welcome like this. So we have sent this to welcome username. Now I need to create one more template file, and that would be welcome.html, and here I just welcome user. So I say h1 welcome, and here I say dot username like this. I save it, and here I will display welcome, and then I will also add here the logout page. So I say h1, under this I take a, then href, under this href I say log out, and here I pass log out, and here in this I say legend toward the right like this. I save this. So this will display the username. So we done this. Again I need to get session here in this page, and I have to check that if this session not equal to nil, then if it is not equal to nil, then we have to remove session dot remove session w like this, and we have to redirect to the index page. If we do logout, then we have to remove the session if session is not nil, and then we have to redirect to the logout index page from the logout. So I think I did all these things, and I try to execute. If everything is okay, So cls go run main.go, try to execute. Oh, but one thing we have left, I have to start a server also. I need to start server. Listen, the server on port number 999, any port you can create like this. Now I start once again, and it will ask to start a server, and I start this. Now I open the web browser. Here I say localhost, we have login page, and here I say ABC anything I could type, and I say login. You see invalid username and password is coming, but if I pass here Vipin capital letter first, and then I say Theotia as a password, and I log in, and we have a welcome Vipin. We are just passing here, and this is a user session variable. Remember, this Vipin is a session variable, and I say logout. So after logout we will go to login page, and again if I click on Vipin and I pass Theotia as a password and login, it's invalid spelling mistake, so I say Vipin, and then I say TEOTIA. Once again try TEOTIA, and then login. The password is okay, then go to Vipin. Again we can log out. So everything is okay, and I just try to write RIGHT listen toward the right, but it did not shift to right. Okay, Alligin, spelling is mistake, Alligin. Then again I just close it and restart. And again I just refresh it, and I say Vipin, then Theotia, login, and we have a logout at the corner, and we have welcome Vipin. Logout, but if we have some wrong password, wrong ID, then we are not able to log in. So this is the way to create a session here in Go language. Very simple type of configuration, simple coding. I try to make it very clean and simple, and in next video I will also explain how you can create the same session by using Gorilla library. So in this video we have seen how we can create session by using a Google library, ICZA library of Google, and it's a very simple way to create a session. We have seen this in this example, and I think you have learned something from this video. If you really learn anything from this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel, and thank you for watching this video.